Ramiro, as you know, I am always talking to people about retaining more of what they earn. And part of retaining more of what you earn is making sure it doesn't get taken away from you in a lawsuit and other ways. That's why I always insist on an insurance review. And I think you've got multiple stories of how you've been able to protect people's assets. You want to share that with me?
Absolutely, Dennis. Multiple stories I have. So, and I'll share with you a recent one that just happened just a few weeks ago. So, one of my clients, she went online prior to meeting with me, to having a conversation with me. She went online, got a quote, great policy, premium wise. But turns out that her daughter was not listed as one of the drivers on her policy. So came to me. Her daughter, she's away at school, but she's not. She comes home often and uses the car. So the mom thought of not listing her because, again, she's not living at home. She's away at school. So came to me. I had her daughter listed on the policy, and God forbid if something would have happened, her daughter would not have been covered on the policy for the damages and so forth. So it's something that is unfortunately mislooked. And that's why you need a professional to review your policy. Sometimes you're looking for that best price or better rate. And, unfortunately you can miss a lot of stuff that can cause a liability.
Understood. I had a friend who at Villanova with me who had to leave partway through the years because of a situation like that, a family situation where they ended up couldn't afford it anymore with situations that happened that were probably avoidable with insurance. So,
Exactly.
excellent. Well, I wanted to hear a little bit more about who you are and what you do. We kind of got right into to how you're helping people. Tell me a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Sure. So my name is Ramiro. I've been a Liberty Mutual agent for the past 10 years. I love what I do. I consult people on their auto, home, and life insurance. We also have other carriers that we work with just in case Liberty Mutual is not a good fit for our clients. So yeah, so Liberty Mutual is not just the only company that we work with. We actually have a fleet of companies that we work with, and we try to fit the clients get the clients the best policies that they need.
Yeah, and I know I've referred people off to you who, again, the match and the fit was there, and they were surprised to hear it wasn't Liberty, but they were happy to hear what they ended up with. So it's all about matching and getting the right fit with the right person. So that's wonderful.
Yeah.
So as far as going through, what would be the best way for someone to reach out to you? I'm going to have the information underneath the blog and the information here, but how do you prefer to be contacted?
Sure. You can call me or text me. My direct number is 908-731-1817.
Excellent. And one other question to ask, as far as, you mentioned about going online and doing that and those pieces. What would you say is the main advantage of having a Ramiro? I mean, I know what it is. I talk to people, I say, hey, you got to talk to my boy Ramiro. He will be able to help you. But what is the advantage of having a Ramiro to the average person?
Gotcha. So insurance is something that I do every day. I eat, breathe, and sleep insurance. So I hear all kinds of stories. Like sometimes you do need a professional to educate you and to discuss with you to make sure that you don't have any gaps. Life changes, as you know, life changes all the time, Dennis. So you want to make sure that you have adequate coverage for your needs, your current needs right now. So you definitely want to make sure that you speak with. You don't have to speak with me, but at least speak with a professional who will be able to review your policy in detail, make sure you don't have any gaps in coverages.
I appreciate that. Anything else you want to leave with people with?
No, just if you.
Well, I can stress that again. You've forgotten more about insurance than I would ever know. You've a wonderful reputation. People who work with you, love working with you, and I highly recommend people reach out and talk to you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Dennis.